Hey guys, Dave here. We are doing a remake of a really simple recipe, but ever so good. Some chicken fritters. Great for dinner, great for a party, just about great for anything. You are gonna love these, so let's make them up. Okay, what I've got here, guys, is about half a pound of chicken tenders. And I'm gonna take a good sharp knife and cut these into relatively small pieces. Because what we're going to do is make these into a batter, and they're going to become our chicken fritters. Now, once we're all cut up, we're going to take those pieces and put them into a bowl. After that, go ahead and crack in 3 eggs. I don't know what the price of eggs are like down your way, but they're not too bad here. Season things up with about a teaspoon of salt. And about a teaspoon or a teaspoon and a half of ground black pepper, my all-time favorite. And I have no idea what it is that I like about ground black pepper, but there's just something there. Throw in about a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and I always say get the smoked if you can, it is much better. Another teaspoon or 2 of the old Italian seasoning, and another teaspoon of garlic powder. 3 tablespoons of good old mayo, and it's the Hellmann's I'm using here, but use whatever you like. After that, grab yourself up 5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and throw that in. Then grab up the old spoon and gracefully or not so gracefully mix everything together until that chicken is completely coated and everything comes together. And believe me, this is starting to look good, my friends. After that, we're going to throw in a cup of grated mozzarella. Grab up 2 green onions and chop those up. And of course, you got it, into the mix we go. And once again, a mixing we will go. And you might be saying, why don't you mix everything all at once? Well, believe me, it does mix a little better this way. Alrighty then, now it's time to add some oil to a pan over medium-high heat. Then grab up a good scoop of that ever so yummy mixture. And just go ahead and toss this into the pan. And what I'm going to do here is take my spoon and just kind of ever so gracefully form this into a nice looking fritter. And depending on the size of your pan, you can probably get, 3 or 4 fritters or something like that in here. I got 4 in mind, so we're just going to go ahead and cook these up, like I say, over medium-high heat until they're done on the one side. Once they're done and kind of firm, and you can see that the way the underside is cooked, you're just going to flip these over and let them cook on the other side, for about, 3 minutes or so, until they look good and firm, and you'll be able to tell. But believe me, they are looking and smelling ever so good. Now we is done, and just look at these. Don't they look fantastic? Oh, I think so anyway. So we shall just throw these onto a plate and just continue the frying for the rest of the batter. After that, we is done it, guys, and it is so simple, so easy. These look so good, and I bet you they're going to taste absolutely fantastic. And you know what? If you grab one of these guys up and break it in half, just look at this. Isn't this amazing? That is a true, simple and easy chicken fritter. Serve these up with some ketchup and you bite into them. Oh, they are so good. The chicken is tender. Just melt in your mouth, chicken fritter, and like I said, so simple and so easy. And if you do make them up, drop us a line, let us know what you think. Most of all, like, it does help us out, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, and see you in the next video.